Your power just ghosted you? GOLDENMATE 2000 via UPS said, "Not today, Satan." You ever been in the middle of something critical, deadline, upload, video edit, Zoom call, and boom, power's out. Gone. Black screen. Heart drops. Rage mode. That moment when your expensive tech becomes a glorified paperweight? Yeah, we've all been there. Burned by budget backups, tangled in unreliable surge protectors, or straight up fried because you trusted the wrong gear. If your setup relies on prayer instead of power protection, the frustration is real. It's not just about outages, it's the creeping anxiety that one power blink could undo hours of work or fry your gear. Ain't nobody got time for that. But it gets worse. You're juggling deadlines, stress stacking like dirty laundry, your brain's melting, and suddenly, zap. You didn't save your file. Didn't shut down your system. Didn't charge your phone. And now, you're crying into your coffee wondering why your $2,000 rig wasn't worth a decent UPS. All while opportunity just moonwalks out the door. What's even scarier? Every second of delay makes burnout crawl closer, missed calls turn into missed paychecks, and one power surge could be your data's funeral. It's not a backup plan if it doesn't back you up. Period. Meet your new ride or die, the GOLDENMATE 2000 VA or 1600 watt lithium UPS. This beast rocks a lithium iron phosphate battery that lasts 10 plus years, aka the long-term relationship your electronics deserve. We're talking pure sine wave output, 8 intelligently spaced outlets, real-time LCD diagnostics, and whisper quiet operation. It's like your own private bodyguard against power drama. Plus, it's smart, automatically shuts down your PC, charges your phone, and even mutes alarms with a single button. Whether it's your PC, network rack, server, or gaming den, this backup doesn't just protect, it dominates. One surge and you'll be saying, "Thank GOLDENMATE, I got this." What do you get? Let's talk features. 460 watt-hours of rock-solid lithium power, a battery that laughs in the face of over 3,000 cycles, USB-A and USB-C ports for all your toys, a VR tech to correct shady voltage, and a BMS that babysits your battery 24/7. It's basically the NASA of UPS systems. Sleek white body, LCD clarity, fan noise under 30 decibels, it's got your back quietly, stylishly, relentlessly. Simplify your workflow. Amplify your focus. Make your tech setup boss level. Ready to escape the unreliable backup life? Scroll down. Smash that link. Don't just survive power cuts, outsmart them. Don't wait till you're staring at a dead screen with a fried motherboard and a tear-stained face. Thousands already upgraded to GOLDENMATE, and they're not looking back. Stocks limited. Demands wild. And your gear? It deserves protection, not prayers. Act now and join a community of techies, creators, and pros who said no more excuses. You're not just buying a battery backup. You're buying peace of mind, boss-level uptime, and the ultimate glow-up for your tech setup. Smash the link. Level up. Because when power bails, GOLDENMATE shows up swinging. Let's go.